So in this situation, you've got this updraft right here, so winds blowing into this line of storms, and then winds blowing out right here. So where this little appendage is sticking out right in through here, that is the core of the worst winds, which is right on track here to pass on the south side of Ozark. If we were to get a little spin up, and this is a situation that would only support brief isolated spin ups, weak quick tornadoes, it would be right here. It'd be right where this little, almost like a hook, not quite, but right where this notch is. So this is the area that will move right into Ozark. So heavy rainfall coming through Blakely, another area of rotation south of Blakely, and then a bowing line segment moving into the western part there of Miller County. And it's just this little pocket, all right? These are winds blowing towards that radar site. We have some red here indicating winds blowing away from the radar site. So there's that area of rotation near Argyle, just to the south of Highway 90. That's County Highway 183 south, north of I-10. This is a tornado warning storm, and go back to that correlation coefficient. If we see any dropout in this area, so it's right there now. Back it up just one frame. I think it was right here. Yep. Developing rotation here off to the southwest of Enterprise. Let's go back to that Enterprise live cam. This is going to come right on through the circle in Enterprise. So there it is. That is concerning, definitely concerning. Dark skies, a lowering of the cloud base here. This could be a developing tornado, okay, in Enterprise this morning. So you can see if we zoom into this cell here, you can see that updraft area. This is the wall cloud. And if you can make it out right here, so this is all rising air motion. This right there, and that is a forming tornado right there. So that is a forming tornado. That is on the west side there. You see that funnel? That's the funnel cloud coming down. That's the tornado. So another confirmed tornado here live as we track this. Looks like a couple of vortices, and this may congeal into just one vortex kind of centered right here. So what worries me in situations like this are trees. Trees falling on mobile homes, trees falling on homes, and that's how we can get fatalities to occur. That's how a lot of fatalities that occur. Or 40, if you have a tree with sandy soil, that tree can be toppled. So more power outages, certainly a possibility as we go through the afternoon hours. These bands really producing some heavy downpours from parts of Dale County around Ozark, southward through parts of Geneva and Houston counties, and then southward to Panama City. Intense rotation, debris. I'm going to take this map. You see this right here? Debris, rotation right there. So it looks like we have two vortices showing up now west of Blakely. Both of these have a debris signature, and the only thing to infer from that is we've got two tornadoes ongoing here, northwest and west of Blakely. Another life lesson here. Lowest part of the building you're in, interior most part of that structure, away from exterior walls, away from exterior windows. And the reason we say that is, worst case scenario, if a tornado hits your place, what's most likely to survive is going to be the innermost, lowest part of that structure. Here's a look at the visible satellite. This was incredible and still is. That is a fairly clear eye visible on the satellite. We usually don't see this with landfalling hurricanes. In the Gulf of Mexico, big ones like Katrina, like Rita back in 2005 had very well-defined eyes in the Gulf of Mexico. As those storms came to the coast, it lost some of the structure. Michael is not Katrina, it's not Rita, it's Michael, and it is maintaining this very impressive structure all the way into the coastline. That visible eye, that clearing in the eye, still visible over Tyndall and now moving inland over Gulf and Bay counties. That is incredible. We just don't see this. We haven't seen this in this part of the Panhandle in our lifetime. So this is extraordinary what we're experiencing here today. Wall cloud, and it looks like it's trying to put down a funnel, and it looks like that funnel might be reaching the ground, and it is, looking at that view. And that is right over the west side of Dothan, just inside the circle. It's trying, it's spinning, it's coming down, it's going back up. This is from a tornado bottle, if you've ever seen this before. I'm going to go like this. You know, it spins, and it's trying to form. And you know, sometimes it actually does form, and then sometimes it's just like, well, it's spinning a little bit, but it never gets its act together. So that's kind of what's happening here. Is it's spinning a little bit. It's just not spinning like that, which is good. We don't want it to spin like that.